Hello, ninth grade English. This is Ms. Stapp here with a third part of your lesson plan from April 27th through May 3rd. And you can see right here is step 3. Print or copy the assigned claim topic organizer. You're going to use that organizer for your claim that you developed in step 2. So let's look at the new organizer. What I've done is I've just taken those two organizers that we did over the last couple of week assignments, and I put it all in one. You can see there's the warrant, debatable claim, the qualifier that we worked on last week, evidence from text, counterclaims, and the conclusion we worked on last week as well. So I put them all together in one, but I've kept little reminders next to each part of this organizer so you can remember what it is. For instance, warrant explains how the evidence below supports the claim. Now, if that doesn't help you recall what these warrants are all about, please go back to the previous lesson, lesson 6, and look through those plans and some of the documents provided there, maybe the exemplar, so you can recall exactly what these different parts of the organizer are and what they should look like. Okay, so now you're going to recall that you just developed a claim based on those assigned topics, and you chose one argument. So you're going to put that argument, that new debatable claim that you've been assigned, right here in the debatable claim. That's where you're going to start. From that, you're going to find some evidence from the text to support your claim. Now, remember, you don't have to have the full quote here. You can use a couple words as a quote if that helps you. What I would do is place the event or a little short description of what has happened and maybe the page number to help you. Great. Then from that evidence, you're going to develop the warrant where you explain what each of that evidence means. And in the instructions, I said details. So try not to make this 3 or 4 sentences, but one sentence that's very specific in explaining what the evidence means and how you understand it to support your claim. Now, the next step is you have to understand that there will be counterclaims. Your claim is an opinion, and there will be evidence from the text that someone can argue otherwise. You're going to pull out at least 2 counterclaims and write those here. Now, your counterclaim is what you're going to use in order to develop a qualifier. So you're going to show that you are an unbiased thinker by acknowledging that there may be some counterclaims, and that's what you're going to write here as your qualifier. And you're going to use that qualifier to develop your conclusion. So again, go back to the previous lesson plan and some of those videos that I used to talk about qualifier and conclusion if you can't remember exactly how to do this. And your other option is to email Ms. Hinterscher if she's your teacher, or myself if I'm your teacher, and show us what your thinking is, and we will help you refine that qualifier and that conclusion. I hope these little overviews of each step of this week's plan helped you, and let us know if you need anything else. Have a great week.